In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to update or change your credit card account number. This is a quick and straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks website. Ensure you're using a secure browser and that your login credentials are at the ready. If you haven't signed up or logged in yet, take a moment to do so now. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard. From here, your next step is to find and access the Accounting tab. The Accounting tab is typically located in the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where a lot of the financial organization magic happens. Upon clicking Accounting, you'll notice an option labeled Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and select that. The Chart of Accounts functions as the backbone of your accounting system within QuickBooks, offering you a comprehensive overview of your accounts. Now let's continue on towards our goal. In this section, you'll see a table that lists all of your financial accounts. Locate the specific line that pertains to your credit card account. If you've set it up correctly, it should be labeled intuitively to make it easy to locate. Next to your credit card account entry, you'll find a button or field labeled View Register. Now, instead of clicking that particular option, as you may automatically be inclined to do, focus your attention to the right side of it. There, you should notice a drop-down menu positioned conveniently. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal more options. From the list of drop-down options now displayed, you will see an option labeled Edit. This is the selection you need to make. Clicking Edit will allow you to modify or update the account details associated with your credit card. You're now in editing mode, and this is where you can input the new credit card account number. It's important to do this step carefully, ensuring that the new number is entered correctly without any errors. Double-check this if necessary, because inaccuracies here can lead to complications in your accounting records. Once you've double-checked the information and you're satisfied everything looks good, proceed to save the changes. And with that, you're really all set. You have successfully updated your credit card account number in QuickBooks. It's a clean and efficient process that highlights the user-friendly nature of this platform. Whether you're doing this for the first time or simply refreshing your skills, it's always useful to remember how pivotal correct accounting details are for maintaining healthy financial records. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and guides.